From node to node. What kind of nodes am I talking about? I'm talking about the node systems that Blender provides you with to create your works as a 3D visual artist. And how can nodes help you? First of all, nodes are tools that allow you to do more in less time. Good. When you use nodes, it's as if you are programming without having to know how, without paying attention to the code at all. Thanks to nodes, you can create and modify materials, geometries and particles all in just a few clicks. For this reason, node systems are gaining popularity at a rapid pace. The thing I like about node systems in Blender is that you can easily experiment and try out new combinations with amazing results. Enjoy cruising from node to node to get to your 3D work of art. Want to know more? Hey guys, I'm Massimo Cozzi from Aida Communication. I'm an expert in communication, video editing, TV producing and 3D modeling. Click on this link below to let me know you are interested. I will make sure to tell you when the course starts. Have the best 3D.